high school Wiz Club fans here? If you are not a fan, it only means that you have not seen the show. Because if you've seen it, you know it. I've got the song from Warren High School that Tamaki sings. So I'll have those at the autograph session. If you guys are interested, let me know. I got started recording like 12 or 13, 14 years ago. Any 14-year-olds in here? Holy crap. Like I was recording before you were born. What is that? That's weird. The first show I ever recorded was Street Fighter II. I played Vega. You know Vega? The romantic guy with his claw. And I did that in Houston, Texas. There was a company. You were born there? Sweetness. Where? Where in Houston? It's a big city. In the place, like a thing. Sugarland? Sweet. No pun intended. But there's a place in Houston, and a company called ADV Films. They've done an awful lot of anime, and I was introduced to them about 12 or 13 years ago. A friend of mine said, you want to audition for this company? They do this Japanese anime stuff, and they need actors. So I went auditioned, and I got cast in Street Fighter, and then the next show came up, and I got cast again. Couldn't believe it. And then the next show, and then I started meeting people from other studios, like Funimation in Dallas. Next thing you know, I was playing Broly in Dragon Ball Z. There's a DVD fan. Now you're a fan, right? Or on high school, like, DVD, yeah! But, let's see. And then after DBZ, it was Yu Yu Hakusho. And Case Closed. And Kitty Grey, Spiral. And then Funimation got the rights to a little show called Full Metal Alchemist. I love the little kid squeak. I do. And then I met people in Los Angeles. And they're like, hey, you should come out here and doing some stuff out here. I'm like, okay. So I came out here and I started working on video games. Anybody know a video game called Persona 3? Disgaea, Soul Calibur, those kind of games. And then I started playing roles in shows like Bleach and Naruto. Is that for Bleach or Naruto? Bleach Ruto! Believe it! And so that's like the story of my voice acting career. I will let you in on a little secret. Don't tell anybody. But I never expected to get into this business. I never planned to be a voice actor. I had been acting since I was very young and had done a lot of stage plays, musicals and stuff. But it never occurred to me to voice act, even though I was a big fan of animated shows. So that was literally just like a door that opened in front of me, and I kind of stepped through. I had no idea what was going to happen, but it's been a wonderful, wonderful experience, and I am very, very proud to be a part of this industry. I've done, I think, like 150 different shows and video games now. So that's kind of like my background leading up to what I do. So why don't we open it up to questions?